and welcome to lesson 11 in our Microsoft Excel tutorials for beginners to advanced level. In our previous lesson, we dealt with how to change the tab colors of all these worksheets here. We dealt with how to add colors to the various cells that we have in our worksheet. We also dealt with how to increase the font sizes of the various text, the various words, the various alphabets that we have in Microsoft Excel. So in this lesson, we are just going to learn how to insert tables into our Microsoft Excel worksheet. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that when we upload a new video, you'll be able to get the notification and watch that video as well. So how can you locate this channel? You only have to launch the browser that you are using, then you type the name of our school, the GeForce IT Academy, like that. Then it will take you to our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel. You type this name as it appearing on your screen, as you can see it on your screens here. You see, this is the name of the channel. So you type this name here as it is appearing on your screen. So the name is GeForce IT Academy. Type it the way it is appearing on your screen so that you can be able to get the channel and watch these particular videos from lesson 1 to the current one. So we have a lot of videos on the channel here. The one that you like, the one that you prefer, you click on that one and watch. If you want to get the full video without any challenge, you click on podcast or you click on playlist and locate that particular course that you want to watch the videos on. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's just quickly start today's activities. Alright, so what we are going to do is that we need to insert a new worksheet. We need to insert a new worksheet here. So in our previous lessons, I taught you how to insert worksheets into Microsoft Excel. So what we are going to do is to click on this plus sign here. Let's click on the plus sign. Please, have you seen it? So worksheet 5. And also in our previous lessons, I taught you how to rename the worksheet. So right click on the worksheet, then we come to rename here, then we give it the name that we like. Since we are going to work on how to insert tables in Microsoft Excel, let's just give it this name, table, like this. Then we press enter. If you like, you give it a tab color. Select this one like this, then let's give it some tab color. This color is okay. So table, good. So now we want to insert a table to have 4 columns and 4 rows. 4 columns and 4 rows. So this one here, the vertical ones here, we call them columns. The vertical ones, we call them columns. And then the horizontal ones, these ones, we call them the rows. This one, we call it column. This one too, we call it column. All of them, all the vertical ones here, we call them columns. So this one too is a column. This one too is a column. And this one too is a row. This one, the horizontal ones, we call all of them rows. Alright, so we want to insert a table to have 4 columns and 4 rows. All the alphabets here, we call them column heads. All the alphabets here, we call them column heads. Then the 1, 2, 3 here, we call them the row numbers. Alright, so let's just continue. So we want to insert a table starting from column B. We want to insert a table starting from column B to have 4 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be ending here. So what we are going to do is that you select that cell, you select this active cell like this, then you press the left button on your computer mouse, then you hold it, then you drag it. Since we want to create the table, we're going to insert the table to have 4 columns and 4 rows we are counting. So it will be ending somewhere around this side here. Good. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the table is now having 4 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So what are we going to do now? The next thing that we need to do is to come to this particular section here. We have to come to this border section here. Then we click on the drop down. When you click on the drop down, then we come to all borders. Let's come to all borders. Click on it. Good. Please, have you seen it? Now we want to expand all these columns and all these rows here. So what are we going to do? Let's just come to the top here like this. Have you seen how my mouse pointer is appearing? Then you press the left button on your computer keyboard like this. Then you drag it. You hold it, oh, please, you hold it. Then you drag it. You come to this one too. Like that. You do the same thing. You come to this one too. Click on your left button on the computer mouse like this. You drag it and you leave it. You repeat the same thing for this last column too. So please, have you seen how it is appearing? Let's just select everything again and see what we can do about it. Let's see. Okay, so let's just maintain it like that. Let's maintain it like that. All right, so let's begin to insert some figures into this particular table. So we are taking the first column for names. So before you can type, you have to select the cell. You have to select that cell. You have to select it. So names like that. Then we come to the next one. So let's just name it mass scores. Then this one we name it ICT scores. Then the last one should be science scores. Like that. Alright, so after we are done with these ones here, we need to format them. We need to apply some settings or some formattings to this table here so that it can look nice. So how are we going to do it? Just pay attention to all these things that we are coming to do now. So let's select the first row. That we are going to use that first row as our heading. We want to use that first row as our heading here. So what we need to do is to make these particular words, these particular columns, all the things that we have inserted into those columns, we want to make them bold. So you just click on the B icon here, the B that stands for bold. So you click on it like this. Then we have just assigned that particular formatting to this table. Because we don't want this video to be long, we would like to end it here and continue in the next lesson, where we are going to apply some formattings to this table here to look like a professional table. So please make sure that you watch the video from the beginning to the end and subscribe to the channel. Share the video with your friends and turn on the notification bell icon for all as we meet in that lesson. Once again, my name is Foster, the founder of the Jufos IT Academy.